Hi, I'm Vince Walden, here with my colleague who's no stranger to the ACI FCPA Data Analytics Summit, Brian Judas from konaAI. We are excited to be associate sponsors at this year's FCPA Data Analytics Conference. Brian, over to you.
Thanks, Vince. Yep, every year we look forward to this event, looking forward to the speakers that we have, a great lineup that we've got together again this year, two really good friends that are also co-chairs this year, Tara Paylor from Pfizer and Aditya Yaramelli from Google. I think the conference this year looks again to improve and enhance on what we've been doing over the past 3 or 4 years in terms of trying to improve content and information available to practitioners and individuals building their business in the compliance space or building their skill sets in the compliance space. So we worked hard on the program to make sure that that's resonating with those individuals and hoping that we can keep that going forward as we continue in the future as well. In terms of me, I'll be speaking with one individual from Procter & Gamble, another from Stryker on the effective use of data analytics and risk detection and response in compliance testing. I think during that session, we'll talk about a number of things like KPIs and a few other things around testing specifically. But one of the things we'll focus on, too, is leveraging your analytics to evaluate newly acquired entities for potential issues around problematic transactions, third parties, or other conflicts of interest, for example. And I think when we were talking, Vince, we both were kind of interested about the session that Aditya is doing specifically. That's an open Q&A, kind of gives the panelists and the individuals that are in other sessions to think about what the attendees are, which is what kinds of questions what am I curious about? What can we learn more about what maybe Google is doing, what Aditya has seen in his career in terms of what's going on. So we hopefully encourage us to have an open session, an open discussion amongst all the attendees and panelists that will be there for the day. So it should be really exciting.
Yeah, Aditya is so much fun to collaborate with, and he's always working on some really cool innovations over at Google. I agree. It's going to be a great event. I'm particularly interested in learning from Matt Galvin, who, as most of you know, he was DOJ's counsel on compliance and data analytics. He'll be talking about the latest DOJ expectations for a data-driven compliance monitoring program, which is something that Brian and I are absolutely passionate about. We've aligned our technology to those types of expectations. And for those of you who have not seen our compliance and anti-corruption platform yet, I'll be giving a hands-on konaAI demo before lunch, which is an opportunity for you to see many of the concepts and discussion points that are in the agenda actually lived out and demonstrated in the software, plus a couple really cool surprises that we have, some latest updates from our research with MIT, as well as some cool things that we've done recently that will make a surprise for you. So stay tuned for that. In conclusion, if you think about konaAI, our passion is empowering compliance professionals like you, helping you to measurably reduce global fraud, corruption, and enterprise risk. And we deliver on this mission through our research-driven, proprietary, and flexible library of analytics, risks, and risk signals, which again, many we're going to show you in that demo. We deliver this through a highly scalable, easy to use software platform, which is the konaAI ecosystem, which I just cannot wait to show you at this event. We look forward to talking with you and dozens of other mid to large global companies at this event. And we'll see you later. Brian, thanks for joining, and we'll see you there.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it.